To replace a saw blade on a LawnMaster chain saw, first you want to make sure your power source has been removed. So my 24-volt battery is not in right now. If I had a corded model, I would make sure it was unplugged. Second, we want to take off our scabbard. Once the scabbard is off, to get to the chain, we want to loosen up our locking lever. Remove the side casing. And now we're going to loosen up our tension disc. So see how the chain is getting looser now? Oh, and also I'm wearing gloves because the chain will have a lot of oil on it. So this just eliminates getting oil on your hand. So now I'm going to remove the guide bar and also the chain. And you can just simply lift up the chain to get it off. Put down my guide bar. And now I'm going to get my replacement chain. And I find it easiest to line it up at the very top first. And then slowly guide the chain in on the bottom. And do the same up on the top. So now we're going to put the guide bar back on. And make sure the chain, sorry, you probably can't see. Make sure the chain aligns on this driver sprocket. So see how when I loosen up the tensioning disc, the chain loosens. So when you align it, make sure it's aligned in the groove of the guide bar. So now the rule of thumb is for the tension, you want to be able to fit a dime under the blade when you pick it up with your fingers. So this is a little loose. So I'm just going to tighten it up a little bit. Maybe a little bit more tight. And that's probably good. So now we're going to secure our side cover back on the chainsaw. I'm going to align this groove in the notch on the chainsaw down here. Once aligned, I'm just going to tighten up my locking lever. And now when ready for use, I'll put in my 24-volt battery